Okay, so this is the derivative of the exponential function y equals e to the x. Okay, just y equals e to the x, the derivative is the same as the original, just y equals e to the x. If I have my e to some sort of function, then I have to take the derivative of that function, e to the exponent of the function. So I'll do some examples on that. Find the derivative of y equals e to the x. Well, the derivative of that is just simply e to the x. The derivative of y equals e to the exponent of 5x plus 1. This is where I got to follow the other pattern. So I take the derivative of the exponent, which is just going to be a 5, bring it down, e, and then to the exponent of 5x plus 1. So anything that's different is I got to multiply by the derivative of the exponent. And then my exponent stays the same. Y equals 4e to the 3x. Again, multiply by the derivative of the exponent. So 4 times the derivative of that is 3. So 4 times 3 is 12e. Then my exponent stays the same. Again, another example. Y equals 3 times 1/3 x. The derivative of the 1/3 x is just 1/3. So I'm going to have 3 times 1/3 e to the 1/3 x. Now 3 times 1/3 is just 1. So that's all just going to go down to e to 1/3 x. Which can also be written as e to the 3rd root of x. Okay. Here I have another example, and this is dealing with the product rule. I have one function multiplied by another function. Okay, so that's the product rule, so I'll have to follow the product rule to solve it. So I'll take the derivative of the first, 3x squared, original of the second, that's 4x, plus the original of the first, and then I have to do the derivative of the second, which is involving the rules of e. So take derivative of your exponent, which is just 4, e to the 4x. And then you can simplify a little bit here. So I'm going to common factor out an e to the 4x. That will leave me with 3x squared. And I can multiply those together, then be plus 4x cubed. I can actually common factor out a little bit more. I'm going to common factor out an x squared. And so my derivative is going to go to x squared e 4x, 3 plus 4x in brackets now. Okay, so how far you have to simplify that depending on what you're asked to do. But that is the exponent of e is take the derivative of the exponent, and then you have e, and then your exponent stays the same. Okay, thank you very much.